One question I hear a lot is, how do you cure a squeaky floor? If there's carpet over the floor, it can be a pretty simple fix. Begin by pulling the carpet up from the tack strip along the nearest wall so that you can roll it back. Now, it may be necessary to separate seams at doorways to allow this rolling. If you do this, be careful not to tear the carpet fibers. Once the carpet and pad are clear, check again for squeaks and mark the location on the wood subfloor. Then look for nails in the area. Several nails in a row indicate where the floor joists are located. Connect these points with a line and you'll know where to drive screws. 2 or 3 inch long screws with countersink heads should solve the problem because they won't pull out like nails do over time. The flexing plywood rubbing on loose nails is what produces most squeaks. Sometimes seams squeak when the 2 sheets of plywood rub against each other. Screws on either side of the seam, along with a healthy dose of wood glue in between them, should cure the problem right on the seam. When all is quiet, have a flooring pro re-stretch and re-seam the carpet as necessary.